wabarakatuh. Akhirnya, jangan menceritakan. Ya, adalah selamat pagi. Ya, wabarakatuh. Dua.
Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive. We keep this love in a photograph. We make these memories for ourselves. Where our eyes are never closed, our hearts are never broken, time's forever frozen. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your red
Nice smile.
jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet.
Smile.
Ya, maleta estructural ya permulaan dari pom.
For today, you will be waiting for the rest of your life. The meaning of Psalm 137.